जसलीन, care to say why so late for today's match? मैं यहाँ 1 घंटे से वेट कर रही हूँ।
अरे सॉरी अनय, मैंने सोचा इतने दिन से घर पे बैठा तो वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, तो साइकिलिंग करके सीधा यहाँ आ जाऊंगा। बट बैड डिसीजन, इस धूप में तो मेरे पसीने छूट गए। इज इट टू अर्ली टू मिस विंटर्स?
You have such first world problems, Jasleen. Did you know? When India launched its first rocket in space, they had to carry the rocket parts on bicycles.
बाइसाइकिल्स? रॉकेट के पार्ट्स? ये कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है? ये तो बैग नहीं उठाया जाता। They carried such heavy parts.
This was 58 years back. तभी उन लोगों के पास कहाँ इतनी लग्जरी और रिसोर्सेज होते थे? Did you know? It was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai who headed a small pool of scientists at that time, and they barely had any funding. So bicycles and bullock carts were only the options they had.
यार तू तो काफी पढ़ाई करके आई है।
Of course, मुझे माइंड वॉश लीग का चैंपियन जो बनना है।
अगर जीतेगी तो ना, आज की क्विज की मैं भी फुल तैयारी करके आया हूँ।
Hi Mind Warriors, I'm Anaya.
और मैं हूँ जसलीन एंड वी वेलकम यू ऑल टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग मैच ऑफ माइंड वॉश लीग 2021।
जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, we are competing for the Mind Wars League.
6 प्लेयर्स 15 मैचेस और 4 हाई स्कोरर्स आगे बढ़ेंगे माइंड वॉश लीग 2021 का चैंपियन बनने।
Today, we are challenging ourselves on history division quiz. What, where, when and how.
तो शुरू करें आज का क्विज। Let the mind wars begin. ये आपके भरोसे क्या लोग। Question number 1. Which Mughal ruler was seen as the natural leader when the Sepoy mutiny broke out in 1857? Bahadur Shah Zafar. Yes. Next. Question number 2. State classification into which Indian history was divided by historians? Ancient, medieval and modern. Yes. Next. Which among the following is not a modern feature of society that came up in the modern period of history? Tyranny. Yes. Question number 4. Which of the following words can be used to describe the period of British rule which had no equality, freedom or liberty? Option 1. Colonial. Yes. Question number 5. What was the other name used for the head representative of the British government in India apart from Governor General? Viceroy. Yes. Question number 6. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. Yes. Thank God. Question number 7. Who were the only rulers of India to have controlled nearly the entirety of subcontinent in the 17th century? The Mughals. Yes. In pre-modern India, what type of cement was used for construction of structure? Limestone cement. Yes. Question number 9. Ajmer was originally the capital city of which Rajput dynasty in the 12th century? Chauhan. Yes. जी ये लास्ट वाला सही करा देना, फिर तो आप जो मांगोगे वो दे दूंगा। ये ठीक करा देना, 10 हो गया प्लीज। ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. How were the bricks of wall of Hampi kept together if they were not built using mortar or cement? Wedged together by interlocking. Yes. जी भाई, thank you. I got 10 on 10. आज तो कमाल ही हो गया बाबा जी, थैंक यू। Yes.
Okay, let's start. Question 1. When did a number of independent kingdoms begin to emerge within the boundaries of the Mughal Empire? In the 19th century. Which Mughal emperor had fought along the Deccan by depleting the resources of the empire? Aurangzeb. Which among the following options is a term that has to be used since historical times to refer to South India? Tamil Nadu. Who were the first people to bring the Quran and teachings of Islam to India? Invaders. Which was the first dynasty to have made Delhi a capital for the first time ever? Palas. Question 6. Who was the first Governor General of India? Warren Hastings. Yes. Name the specialized institution established to preserve important documents and letters during the British period. Archives. Yes. Which coins were printed in Delhi during the rule of Tomaras and Chauhans? There. In which year did Warren Hastings become the first Governor General of India? 1773. Yes. In the year 1817, who published the book titled A History of British India? James Mill. Yes. Oh, I got 5 on 10. That's very bad because I've never scored at that. But it's okay.
So, how much did you score?
I scored 5 points. You?
जीत गया
I'm guessing you won.
ये दिया ना सही जवाब, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये सही जवाब का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. आई स्कोर 10 पॉइंट्स.
Whatever. चल लीडरबोर्ड देख लेते हैं.
ठीक है.
जसलीन टोटल पॉइंट्स तो अभी मेरे ही ज्यादा है.
वरी नॉट. आज के मैच के बाद लीडर बोर्ड पे मैं तुमसे बहुत करीब आ चुका हूँ. मैं तो माइंड वॉर्स पे प्रैक्टिस करता रहूंगा. और हाँ, घर बैठे माइंड वॉरियर्स, अगर आपको भी अपनी नॉलेज बढ़ानी है तो लॉग इन कीजिए ZEE5 पे और खेलिए माइंड वॉर्स.
And if you want to be part of this league, just like us, write to us on contact@mindwars.co.in.
Bye. Want to be the first to know of the video on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit the subscribe and click the bell icon.
And knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about the video.